Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I'm featuring the stamp set and die bundle called Paper Tags. And I am inking up with Basic Gray. I rarely use Basic Gray, surprisingly. I'm really inking this stamp up because it's my first time using it. So brand new stamp set, and that paper that I have there is called Beautiful Gallery. It's a 6x6 designer series paper. It's delightful. I'm using a backside of one of the pages that I didn't like the front side to. So one of the things when I look at paper, if I like the one side of it, I'm happy to purchase it because it is, I feel, I'm going to be able to use everything. So as I stamped on that, it looked perfect and it didn't look so chalkboardy. So sometimes when I've seen this stamp set used, a lot of people are putting black on white and it's very stark. So I chose to use designer series paper so that I could get an ombre effect on the writing. And yeah, it looked out good. So it does fit in your mini cut and emboss machine. This is, I call this one Little B because it's blue. And it sits on my desk to the left-hand side of me always. I do have one behind me that is bigger, the bigger one. But anyway, I'm just letting you know I have this small little die. It's so easy to just run through. This is basic white here, and I have the markers. So I have basic gray marker, and what's the other one called? It is the new In Color. And you guys, I wanted to remind you that I still have the In Color club going on. So this is called Cloud Cover. It's the new In Color. It's light blue, light gray. I wore a pair of pants that are very similar to this today to work. Anyway, I'm sort of putting the nib in the lid and flicking hard, because sometimes when I'm doing a monochromatic card like this, or similar in colors, sometimes you need a little something to stave off the starkness of the white. So by adding two different colors on my white as a splatter, and then matting it with that beautiful basic gray, I'm going to put this on my card base, which is smoky slate. Like we're using all the neutrals here today, folks. That is smoky slate. It is my favorite gray. And like coming in second is that Cloud Cover. I really like it. Anyway, so you can see I'm putting the card together. I put dimensionals on the back side, and I just ran this particular die through with the basic gray. Now, here's a trick for you. When I put something cattywampus on a card, I always try to make the sentiment or the writing straight. So you can see one of them is cattywampus and then the sentiment is straight. So sometimes you just don't want to crane your head reading a card. So both of them have dimensionals on, and then the pattern paper that I cut out with the sentiment there had a little heart, and so I am using that heart. It's a lighter heart, and it would look fantastic on that basic gray one. Probably liquid glue would have been better, but whatevs. I do everything hard. And I'm going to put that little heart on cattywampus, and then I'm going to smother it with Clear Wink of Stella. So you guys can see all the supplies I used today below in the video See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments that you leave and the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.